Looking for the perfect way to protect your furniture? Best sofa covers for pets offer durable, easy-to-clean protection against scratches, fur, and spills. Keep your sofa looking new while giving your furry friends a cozy spot to relax. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Gogobunny sofa covers for pets. The Gogobunny sofa covers for pets are an excellent choice for pet owners seeking reliable protection for their furniture. One of the standout features is its double waterproof protection, combining a high-quality waterproof outer layer with a TPU waterproof membrane inside. This design ensures your sofa remains dry and clean even if your pets move around freely or accidentally spill water. This pet blanket is versatile and can be used on various types of furniture, especially sofas and beds, shielding them from scratches, bite marks, and saliva. The fact that it can be used both indoors and outdoors adds to its practicality, whether at home, during travel, or even on picnics. Its waterproof quality and foldability make it convenient and portable. Its elegant plaid pattern with reversible sides means you get 2 color options in one product, allowing you to switch up your room's look easily. Moreover, it's user-friendly when it comes to maintenance. Machine washable at a moderate temperature, it retains quality without the use of harsh bleach. Overall, Gogobunny combines durability, style, and convenience in one functional pet sofa cover, making it an ideal solution for pet owners who want to protect their furniture without sacrificing aesthetics or comfort. Number 2. TAOCOCO sofa covers for pets. The TAOCOCO sofa covers for pets deliver premium quality and thoughtful design specifically tailored for 3-seater reclining sofas. Crafted from high-quality fabric with advanced waterproof coating technology, this sofa cover ensures excellent leak-proof performance, protecting your furniture from spills, stains, and pet-related wear. The inner layer is filled with thick, soft material that not only safeguards your sofa, but also adds a comfortable touch for you and your pets. Designed as 3 separate pieces, this cover perfectly fits 76.8-inch reclining sofas, making installation straightforward with the included user guide. To keep the cover securely in place, TAOCOCO has added solid round colloid material at the back, along with elastic bands and non-slip buckles that prevent slipping or sagging. This not only prolongs the life of your sofa, but also keeps it looking fresh and new by covering blemishes and stains. Ideal for homes with kids and pets, this cover saves you money by extending the sofa's lifespan. Cleaning is hassle-free since each piece can be washed separately by hand or machine at temperatures below 30 degrees Celsius. Just remember to avoid bleach and ironing to maintain the fabric's integrity. Overall, TAOCOCO provides a durable, well-fitting, and practical solution for pet owners looking for a reliable sofa protector with easy maintenance and a sleek appearance. Number 3. Awjcsv sofa covers for pets. Awjcsv sofa covers for pets combine modern style with practical functionality, making them a great addition to any home. The cover features soft colors and delicate patterns that blend seamlessly with various home decor styles, enhancing your living space's aesthetic while protecting your sofa. Handmade from high-density face cloth fabric, this cover offers impressive thickness and skin-friendly softness that remains intact even after long-term use. The fabric is designed to resist shedding and fading, ensuring that your sofa cover looks fresh and vibrant over time. It is machine washable, made with a special process that maintains rich hues and high color fastness, so the stylish look lasts even after multiple washes. The non-slip design includes silicone particles on the underside that firmly grip the sofa or floor, preventing shifting and ensuring stability even with active pets. This sofa cover is versatile. It can be used year-round and doubles as a windowsill cushion, bedside cushion, or rug, adding warmth and charm wherever placed. Awjcsv's thoughtful packaging compresses the cover for shipping, but regains its fluffiness within 24 hours after unpacking. Perfect as a gift for pet lovers, this product offers a blend of style, comfort, and durability, ensuring your furniture stays protected while complementing your home decor beautifully. Number 4. Easygoing sofa covers for pets. Easygoing sofa covers for pets offer a blend of quality, durability, and functional design to protect your furniture from everyday wear and tear caused by pets and children. Made with thick microfiber fabric featuring an elegant quilted texture, the cover is water-resistant and color-fast, available in 2 versatile color options that can suit different home interiors. Designed to fit sofas with seat widths up to 88 inches, this cover comes with a helpful measuring guide to ensure a good fit. Its anti-slip features are particularly notable, incorporating elastic straps and foam pipes tucked into grooves on both sides to prevent the cover from sliding off or shifting during use. This ensures a secure, snug fit that stays in place even with energetic pets. Besides protecting your sofa from spills, stains, and scratches, this cover's design adds a touch of sophistication to your living area. Cleaning is simple and convenient, with machine wash compatibility at temperatures around 30 degrees Celsius. Mild detergents are recommended, and bleach should be avoided to maintain fabric quality. The package includes the sofa cover along with 2 foam pipes, making it easy to install and adjust. Overall, Easygoing provides a reliable, stylish, and user-friendly solution for pet owners wanting to preserve their furniture's condition without sacrificing comfort or appearance. Number 5. Nice Home Sofa Covers for Pets. Nice Home Sofa Covers for Pets stand out with their high-quality construction and versatile design that combines protection and style. This couch cover features 3 layers, including a quilted texture microfiber surface and bottom, offering softness, comfort, and water repellency. The reversible 2-color design allows for double-sided use, giving you flexibility to refresh your rooms look effortlessly. Sized to fit 4-seater couches with seat widths up to 91 inches, it's important to measure your sofa beforehand using the included guide for the best fit. This cover not only shields your furniture from everyday wear, pet fur, spills, and stains, but also revitalizes an old or worn-out couch by transforming it into an attractive centerpiece. To ensure it stays securely in place, the sofa cover incorporates elastic straps along with longer fabric over the arms and foam rods tucked into sofa grooves. This anti-slip design prevents shifting, providing a seamless and neat appearance. Installation is simple. Just drape it over your sofa, tuck excess fabric into creases, and insert the foam rods for a tailored fit. The cover is machine washable at or below 30 degrees Celsius. However, bleach and ironing are discouraged to preserve fabric quality. Overall, Nice Home offers a practical, stylish, and durable sofa protector ideal for pet owners who want to maintain their furniture's beauty and extend its lifespan with minimal effort. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.